Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In the last class, we discussed the full overview of this course and covered some very important points. But we didn't show you the course module yet. In today's class, we are going to look at the entire course module. By the end of this class, you will know how many classes we have in total, the exact order of the topics we will cover, which class will come after which. After today's session, you will have a clear picture of how the entire course is structured. So let's get started. I hope you can all see my screen right now. Here you can see the name of our course, Affiliate Marketing Complete Course by Aftricks. We have divided this course into three main sections: Fundamentals, Advanced Funnel Strategy, and Traffic Secret. Each of these sections is further divided into subsections. For example, the fundamental section is divided into six parts. In the first five sections, we will cover very important theory, and in the six sections, we will move on to practical lessons. Many students tend to skip theory classes and jump straight to the practical lessons. But I have designed this course in such a way that there are no unnecessary classes here. Each class is connected to the next one. So, if you skip the theory parts, you might not fully understand the practical lessons later. That's why I strongly recommend you watch the theory classes carefully. They are just as important as the practical classes. Alright, let's get back to the module overview. As you can see here, section 1 has a total of 4 classes. We have already completed the first class and right now we are in class 2. Our next class will focus completely on affiliate marketing. And the fourth class will be about physical products and digital products. Both of these classes are very important for this course. In class 3, we will discuss what affiliate marketing really is, what elements are involved in it, and what the future of affiliate marketing looks like. In class 4, we will cover what physical products are and what digital products are, the pros and cons of each, and which type of product you should choose and why. Now, let's move on to section 2. This section has a total of 7 classes. Here, I will share some business ideas that you can run alongside affiliate marketing. But don't worry, we will discuss how to run this business toward the end of the course after you already have a solid foundation. Next is section 3, which has 9 classes. Here, we will cover everything you need before you start affiliate marketing. The topics are what you need to start affiliate marketing, payment solution, affiliate marketplace versus individual marketplace, find out affiliate and CPA offer and network, research for a good and real network or marketplace, what is sales funnel and its importance, importance of your own website, importance of email marketing. Then comes section 4. This section has 12 classes where we will go in depth on marketing. If you fully understand this section, you will know almost 90% of digital marketing techniques. And when we move to the traffic secret section, it will feel much easier for you. My personal recommendation, watch this section at least twice. Then section 5. This section has 6 classes and here are the topics. What is niche? How to find a good product, JVG marketplace interface, what is EPC, best funnel structure, and my funnel structure. You need to complete these classes before moving on to the practical section. This way, you will be fully prepared for hands-on work. Now, let's move on to the section 6. This section is divided into 4 main parts: marketplace, website design, create sales funnel, and ready content. In the marketplace section has a total of 7 classes. Here, we will go step by step from creating your marketplace account to setting it up completely. The topics include niche and marketplace research, product research from Manchai, creating a JVG account, adding a payment method, opening and submitting GDPR and W9 forms, how to apply for affiliate links, research and create your buyer avatar. Next comes to the website design section, which has a total of 10 classes. Here, we will design a complete website from scratch. The best part, you don't need to know any coding. Even if you have zero prior knowledge about website design, you can still follow along and create your own site. After that, we move to the Create Sales Funnel section, which has 14 classes. Here, we will go deep into everything related to sales funnel. You will learn how to design a funnel from start to finish, step by step, in a completely practical way. By the end of this section, you will have your very own sales funnel ready. And finally, the ready content section, which has 17 classes. Here, we will cover everything related to content. This includes how to do content analysis, how to write content, how to hire a content writer, how to double check and optimize your content. At the end of this session, we will also install some essential plugins on your website. These are all the parts of section 6. Once you complete this session, your entire foundation will be fully ready. Now, let's talk about the advanced funnel strategy section. This section is divided into 5 subsections. Subsection 1 has 4 classes. In class 1, bonus resources. As I mentioned earlier, you will need some resources to get started. Arranging this can be difficult at first, so I will give you some resource files as free bonuses to make your journey smoother. In this class, I will explain exactly how you can access those files. The next classes will be respectively why should your audience buy products from you? Add a resource menu, support advanced sales funnel strategy. That is our sales funnel will be shown in this class. Subsection 2 contains 7 classes and focuses on the website tracking system. Here, we will build a system so that we don't waste visitors. The goal is to get value from every visitor, capture, track, and retarget them. All of these steps will be shown practically with real demonstration. Now, let's move on to section 3. This section has 4 classes and all of them are focused on advanced funnel building. Here we will cover about 80% of the funnel work step by step. The remaining part will be completed in the next section. Next, section 4, pre-sale content. Section 4 has 8 classes and focuses on one of the most important parts of your funnel, that is pre-sale content. In this section, you will learn what pre-sale content is, how it works, how to analyze and plan it, and how to create pre-sale content that matches your product perfectly. Your sales depend heavily on this part. The better your pre-sale content is, the higher your chances of getting sales. That's why we will go in depth here to make sure you get this right. Finally, we have section 5 with 3 classes. In class 1, funnel overview, complete recap of everything we have built so far so that you have no confusion. In class 2, email sequence. We will cover how to create and set up a proper email sequence that works with your funnel. Next, in section 3, we will test the funnel live on our website to make sure everything works smoothly from start to finish. By the end of this section, you will have a fully working advanced funnel setup ready to generate results. Now, let's move on to the final and most exciting part of this course, the traffic secret section. This section is divided into 3 subsections. For example, section 1, free traffic and paid traffic. In section 1, there are 2 classes. In class 1, a quick overview of everything we have learned so far, fundamentals and advanced funnel strategy. In class 2, a preview of what we are going to learn in the traffic secret section and what key points we need to keep in mind before we start. In the free traffic section, we will cover 4 major marketing channels: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and email marketing. We will start from the very basics of each channel, set everything up step by step, and connect it with our website. The main focus here will be how to get quality traffic for free and how to build your own traffic hub so that your visitors keep coming back. Then we move to the paid traffic section where we will go deep into Meta ads and Google ads. Here's what we can expect: step by step guidance for running ad campaigns, live campaign demonstrations, You will see exactly how to set them up, sharing real results so that there is no confusion about what works. This section will have around 70 to 80 classes. The exact number might change because app platforms keep updating their algorithms and we need to keep updating our strategies too. So the number of classes may increase or decrease slightly, but we will always cover the latest strategies that actually work. So that's the traffic secrets section. By the time you complete this part, you will know exactly how to generate both free and paid traffic, and you will be ready to run live campaigns with full confidence. So you can see in the fundamental section there are in total of 86 classes. In the advanced funnel strategy section there are 26 classes. And in the traffic secret section there will be approximately 70 to 80 classes. That means this course will have roughly 180 to 200 classes in total. But keep in mind, if I see that you need more support on any topic, I will add extra classes or split a topic into multiple parts. So yes, the number of classes can even go beyond 200 because my goal is to make sure you get 100% clarity and no confusion remains. Now, let me share some very important suggestions that you must follow if you want the best results from this course. Number one, be serious. If you are not serious about learning and taking action, this course is not for you. But if you are serious, you must not skip a single class. Every single lesson has been carefully designed for your success. Number two, complete the full course first. Go through the entire course once from start to finish without skipping. Then start again from first class, but this time take proper notes and take action step by step. The first time will give you a full understanding of the process, and the second time will drastically reduce the chance of making mistakes. Number three, follow a single direction. Choose one mentor or one course and stick to it until the end. Every mentor has a different teaching style and approach. Constantly switching mentors will only confuse you and waste your time. If you decide to follow me completely. That is how you will see the best results. So I hope you now have a very clear idea about this course and you can see how complete and practical this training is going to be for you. That's all for today's class. I will see you in the next one. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching and have a great day.